If you're newer to VS Code, one setting you probably want to enable is the Suggest Show Status Bar setting. This shows additional information and suggestions about how you can interact with those suggestions and how those suggestions will actually be applied. Now to enable it, I'm going to open up my settings with Control Comma or Command Comma on Mac and search for Suggest Status. And I want the Editor Suggest Show Status Bar setting here. Again, it is off by default. I'm just going to enable this and then switch back to the editor here. Now when I actually go and I trigger suggestions, so I'll just do Control Space here to trigger suggestions, you can see at the bottom of the list of suggestions, we now have this status bar. And that is providing additional information about the commands that we can go and use to interact with suggestions and how we can actually apply suggestions to the file. Over here on the right-hand side, for example, you can see it's saying show more and then a key binding. So that is saying Control Space here. And that is indicating if I press Control Space, so I'll just do Control Space here, I will actually see additional documentation about the current suggestion. And as I scroll through the suggestion list here, you can see that that documentation is being updated. So it's just kind of a hint that to say, hey, if you press Control Space, you can see this documentation. If you then press Control Space again, it will say show less and it will hide that documentation. So I'll just do Control Space again. Again, just kind of a helpful hint, especially when you're newer to VS Code. Now over on the left-hand side of the status bar, you can see it saying insert and replace. Now this is indicating that if I just press return, it's going to trigger the suggestion in insert mode. So here you can see that, let's go up to create attribute here, and I'm just going to press return and we can see the default behavior of insert mode. So again, note that my cursor is in the middle of create comment here. If I press return, you can see it is inserted create attribute here, but it has not replaced the comment part. So it has not replaced the suffix of the word that I was on because my cursor was in the middle of the word. Now if I actually undo this and then trigger suggestions again, I could instead use replace mode. And this is saying that if I hold down shift and then say return, it is going to apply the suggestion in replace mode. So here I'll hold down shift and then say return. And you can see that now it has replaced the entire word. So again, kind of just a helpful hint and reminder of how you can apply suggestions in different ways. Even if you've been working with VS Code for a while like I have, it can sometimes be helpful to have these reminders. So that's a quick look at the insert modes and the suggest status bar for VS Code.